Hey, this video is on how to install this Schlage doorknob and deadbolt. Go ahead and do the doorknob first. That's all the parts. That's all the pieces for our assembly here. For the doorknob, this is what we're going to use. These things, once we get in there, are going to go right in there. I'm going to go ahead and put it on the door here. Go ahead and pull these apart. This just slides out like that. It's gonna go right in here. Just like that. This side comes in like this. Other side just slides right on there. Now we'll go ahead and insert the screws. Right there, right there. Cinch it up a little bit. This thing's going in real easy. So yeah, just get these by finger. Just work them in with, I'm just working these in with my hand. I'll go grab my Phillips, tighten it up. You can use a cordless drill, or you can just do it by hand with a regular screwdriver. This thing is still here. I'm not cranking it down all the way because I still have to, oops, so you kind of get an angle at it. Okay, now I'm gonna put these two. Might even have to loop. Okay, I think I left it loose enough, but gotta get these two. Make sure these holes are on. I might need to loosen it just a little bit. And we'll put those two screws there. Well, it's nice they made them all the same size. So I'm just gonna take two. Go right in there. Okay, now I'll tighten these up one last time. Make sure it doesn't stick. I want to get it as tight as I can and have it not stick. So I'm just kind of testing it as I go. This thing's nice. Some of them get sticky with these security doors. Not this one. I'm happy with this. All right. Hey, all right, there we go. There it is. That's the doorknob. Now for the deadbolt. All right, here's our deadbolt. These two, these are going to go in here. I need two of these. It's going to secure that. that to the door. Okay, now this piece just slides right in there, right through that. And we'll put this piece on. It's kind of nice. It has a label on there. See it for the top. That way you don't get it flipped around. Go. Now I'll insert the 2 screws right there. Not sticky at all, I love it. There we go. Give these one last little crank. There we go, that is done. Not sticky. Let's test it out. Alright, that's it. Yeah, I kind of like this feature, but they both lock just fine. From the outside, it's great. Alright, there we go, locked up. Well, not yet. There, locked up. So we're locked up from the outside. Works great. Unlock. So here's the feature I'm talking about. When you lock it from the inside, it's locked, but you can always open it. So this handle won't lock, but you can lock it here. See, it's unlocked right now. Lock it here like that. It's locked, but you can still open it from the inside. So it's kind of unique. I like it. Thanks for watching. Thanks again. Hit that subscribe button for me.